How to fix Roblox not installing on PC. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. Now starting off, if your Roblox is not installing, try to right click on your Roblox application and run it as an administrator. If it still does not work, go ahead and follow up this next step. Select on the Windows icon at the bottom, then head to the settings option. From here, you need to go ahead and check out the option of privacy and security. Select on Windows Security. If you are using any antivirus program or the Windows firewall, make sure to check every aspect of your protection. If any area of your Windows security or firewall is hindering the installation of Roblox, make sure to block it or remove it. For that, you can check the firewall and network protection and virus and threat protection. Then select on where it says apps and browser control. Now from here, if you see a setting that is disabling the installation of Roblox, go ahead and disable the setting. Now if it does not work, tap on the Windows icon again and search for Run. In your Run, you need to type in %appdata%, then tap on OK. It will pop up a new tab. From here, you need to select on App Data and head to Local. From here, scroll down and select on Roblox. From this list, tap on the Versions folder. Now you will see a Roblox Studio installer. Go ahead and install the particular version. This will be able to fix your problem. If it still does not work, you can go ahead and check out your Microsoft Store and search for Roblox and install from Microsoft Verified. Next is to open up any preferred browser and search for your Roblox server status. Tap where it says Roblox status to check if the Roblox server is acting up correctly. Sometimes, if there is any issue with your Roblox server, you may face such issue as well. And it's a wrap for the video as well. We hope that we were able to help you.